Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission with any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 81. And if we start with this box, we're just missing a 1. We look at this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 and 8 here, so this is our 4. That 7 makes this our 8, 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got a 2 and 5 here, so this is our 6. I don't see any other help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this box, we're missing 1 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 9. 5 here, so 1, 9. For this row, we're missing 4 and 7, and I don't see any help, so 4, 7, 4, 7. If we look at this box, we're missing 2, 4, 5, and 8. Got the 2 here, no other help, so 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 4, 5. 4 and 5 here, so 3, 6. 3 and 5 here, so 4, 6. 4, 5, and 6 here, so that means this is our 3. That 3 makes this our 6. That 6 makes this our 4. That means this is our 5. That 5 makes this our 2, 5. We can get rid of both of these 5s. For this box now, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 covering these 2 boxes, so 2, 9, 2, 9. That means our 7 has to be here. For this bottom row, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 8. 8 here, so 2, 7, and no help here, 2, 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 9. 5 and 6 here, so that means this is our 9, 5, 6. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 9, but the 3 can't be there or there, so it must be here. If we look at this column, we're missing 3, 7, 8, 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 7, 8. 7, 8, and 9 here, so this is our 3. We can get rid of this 3. We've got an 8 here, but if we look now at that column, the only place our 9 can be is here. That 9 makes this our 1, 5, 1, and that 5 makes this our 9. That 9 makes this our 2, 9. For this row now, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got a 1 and 7 here, so this is our 4. 7 here, so 1, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. That's 7. We can get rid of this 7. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 4. That 4 makes this our 7, 2, and that 7 makes this our 4, 2, 4. That 2 makes this our 7, 8, 2. For this column now, we're missing a 3. For this column, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. That 8 makes this our 7. That 8 makes this our 4, 8. And there we have it. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.